Today, I'm going to show you how to check document statistics in Grammarly quickly and easily so you can see useful details like word count, character count, readability, and your overall writing score. If you work with essays, articles, blog posts, or any kind of long document, this is a super helpful feature because it gives you a better sense of how your writing is performing at a glance. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Grammarly Editor and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Grammarly, open the document you want to check. This can be a draft you're actively writing, something you pasted into the editor, or an existing file you want to review. The important thing is to make sure the document is fully loaded inside the Grammarly editor, because that's where the statistics will appear. Now take a look near the top of the editor. You should see the overall score displayed there. This score gives you a quick snapshot of how your document is doing in terms of writing quality. It's one of the easiest ways to get an instant overview before you start making edits. Next, click on the overall score. Once you do that, Grammarly will open up more detailed document statistics. This is where you can see the information behind the score, including things like word count, character count, readability, and the overall writing score itself. These stats are especially useful if you need to meet a specific assignment requirement, stay within a word limit, or simply track the length and clarity of your content. If you're writing for school or work, the word count can help you make sure your document is the right length. The character count is helpful when you need to stay under a limit, like for headlines, forms, or short submissions. The readability information can also be useful if you want to know whether your writing is simple, clear, and easy for readers to understand. And the score gives you a quick indication of how polished your document is overall. As you review these statistics, you can use them to decide what to improve next. For example, if the word count is too low, you may need to add more detail. If the readability is lower than you want, you might need to shorten your sentences or simplify your wording. Grammarly makes this process easy because everything is shown in one place, so you don't have to manually calculate anything. This is a really convenient feature inside Grammarly Editor because it saves time and helps you understand your document better. Instead of guessing how long your writing is or whether it's clear enough, you can just check the statistics instantly and make smarter edits. So, to quickly review, open Grammarly Editor, open your document, look for the overall score near the top, click it, and then review the statistics like word count, character count, readability, and score. That's all it takes. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.